Okay guys, today I am trying to draw Toothless and Hiccup. You guys are gonna watch me and follow step by step if you want to learn yourself. First we start off with Toothless's head. Do a nice little curve. And then we go off like that, do that. For Toothless's head, we make his little mouth, and we make an ear, or whatever these things are. What do you guys call them? I don't know. Then you make the little bumps underneath. Just do that one by one. Follow me along. Then make his eye. You need to do that. Toothless is gonna look pretty sour. And I just ate a hot pepper, so I feel it's kind of sour. Just look at that. Now we're gonna draw little spikes on him. And to finish Toothless off, he's not actually finished. We're not done with Toothless yet. But we are just going to make his little frills. See? I don't know why I can't hold this camera steady. Okay. And then make his little tiny nostril. Make a little tiny nostril. What are you tiny nostril? Yes, I'm cringe. I know that. Okay, so I am going to finish Toothless off. If you want, you can make him go off the paper and make your own thing, but I don't. You can also, I'm starting on his feet. His feet. Look, what are those? Just color it in like so. And then Toothless has these spikes on the side. And then he has, to finish him off, we just have that. And let's make his tail nice and long. If you see what I mean. And then we're gonna add some finishing details. And we can't forget his tail fin. So this is not all we're making. We're making Hiccup too. And don't forget, we need to add that nice crest or whatever that is. I can't hold the camera. Yes. Then we're going to color in at the end, everybody. And, okay, my mom's got the camera now. That's better. Now we're going to do Hiccup. First, we start with the head. He's going to look like a 4x4 brick head. But it's okay. Hiccup is going to be Hiccup. Now, just make his hair all crazy, like he's nothing really that sick. It's just hair. You can make him have a mohawk if you want. You can make yourself, honestly, but I'm just making Hiccup and Toothless. Make the nice eyes like this, the nose, and the whatever face that is. Okay. Okay. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Now we're just gonna finish. We add that little divot right there. Make him feel like a what do you call him? EK. Now we're just gonna make his iconic shirt. If you see what I mean. He has a green shirt underneath, but like I said, I'm coloring in afterwards, so.
You got Tuesday sitting out. Okay?
Yep. Yeah. And to make him nice and alive, put some hair and stuff, fur, what you would call that, on his jacket. And then you make his hands nice and long. I like to do 3-fingered, 4-fingered, but it's kind of like 3 because 3. Now that's like a claw. Okay, I messed up there. But guys, if you mess up, just don't. That's all I gotta say. Just don't mess up. If you have a pencil, that is. I mean, you have a pen, that is. See that? And you gotta make his peg leg. Make his peg leg nice and neat. And then there, peg leg. And then right here, you make a big shoe. Big shoe. Big shoe.
Are you using the bacon pan, Mom?
And this is Hiccup and Toothless. Yes. I'm gonna do the background. I'm not gonna show you how to do it because, yes, I'm not.